Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to fillet object. So we'll create new design and you can draw a rectangle for the example. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to fillet this object, you can use the pull tools. And the next you can select on the edge, like I will select at this edge. And then you can choose the fillet option. You can use these round tools, click, and then you can click hold to fillet the object. If you want to set for a specific value, you can tap like 3 and you can press enter. Okay, we'll select again at this edge. Don't forget to choose these round tools. Click hold to fillet the selected edge. You can set like into 5 and press enter. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to fillet. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.